Now see, the question is the find the area of a square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 8 सेंटीमीटर। मतलब फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए स्क्वायर। तो एक स्क्वायर है, तो क्या है, एक स्क्वायर है। स्क्वायर, तो एक स्क्वायर हम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। अच्छा, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए स्क्वायर दैट कैन बी इंस्क्राइब। इन मतलब क्या है, इन मीन्स इनसाइड, ये अंदर है। किसके अंदर है, इंस्क्राइब्ड इन ए सर्कल, मतलब ये जो स्क्वायर है एक सर्कल के अंदर है। ये स्क्वायर एक सर्कल के अंदर है, तो हम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। ये ले लो, हमारा सर्कल है, ठीक है, ये हमारा सर्कल है। इस सर्कल के अंदर स्क्वायर है इसका। इट इज गिवन दैट ऑफ रेडियस 8, ऑफ रेडियस 8 मतलब ये जो सर्कल है इसका रेडियस 8 है। रेडियस हम ऐसे ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं क्योंकि इससे हमें आसानी होगा, क्योंकि ये सर्कल का रेडियस 8 है। हमें स्क्वायर का एरिया निकालना है। समझ लो कि ये जो स्क्वायर है इसका साइड है एक्स, स्क्वायर का साइड है एक्स, ये साइड है एक्स, ठीक है, साइड है एक्स। और तो अगर हम इसे एक्सटेंड कर दें, ये जो रेडियस हमने ड्रॉ किया, अगर इसे हम एक्सटेंड कर दें, ब्लू खत्म हो गया, ठीक है, अगर इसे हम एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो ये बन गया क्या, ये बन गया एक डायामीटर। तो ये 8 और ये 8 मिलके ये डायामीटर हो गया पूरा कितना, 16, ठीक है। तो अगर इस पॉइंट को हम ए बी और सी नाम दे दें और इसे हम ओ नाम दे दें, तो क्या होगा, पहले लिख ले, लेट ए बी सी डी बी द स्क्वायर inscribed in a circle of radius circle of center O, ठीक है। तो इट इज गिवन दैट AO इक्वल्स टू 8। तो पूरा जो AC होगा, पूरा जो AC होगा क्या, 2 × 8 16, क्योंकि AC डायमीटर है, रेडियस का डबल होता है, ठीक है। इतना समझ में आ गया। अभी देखो कि हमें पता है कि स्क्वायर का एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है और ये एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बन रहा है। लेट साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर भी x सेंटीमीटर, देयरफॉर इन वी नो अच्छा, उतना लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। इन राइट ट्रायंगल लिख देते बस। इन राइट ट्रायंगल का नाम है ABC। हम बोल सकते हैं कि AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू AC स्क्वायर। ये होता है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, ठीक है, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। अभी अच्छा, नाउ व्हाट डू वी नीड टू फाइंड, वी नीड टू फाइंड द area of a square, okay। area of a square, what is its formula, area of a square is x square, ठीक है, क्योंकि साइड x है तो हमें x square ढूंढना है। एंड वी कैन put here the value x, so it will be x square। value of BC is also x, it will be x square। and AC square is what, AC is a 16, AC is 16, so it will be 16 square, x square 2x square equal to 16 square। and 16 square is, we know, 256, I guess, if I'm not wrong, x square will be 256 by 2 divide 1, 28, okay। So x square is 128, which is the area of the square, therefore area of square is 128, got it, that is we need to. Next, question number 10, a paper is in the form of a rectangle PQRS। so देखो कि PQRS एक रेक्टेंगल है, तो हम एक रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। जैसे कि फिगर है, ऐसा फिगर है, ये रेक्टेंगल है और यहाँ से इसका लेंथ है, बोला है क्या, 10, लेंथ 10 और ब्रेथ है 7। सब दिया गया है, PQ 10, ठीक है, छोड़ दो। अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि इससे 2 सेमी सर्कुलर पोर्शंस विथ QR एंड PS डायमीटर, मतलब तो ये PQRS, तो क्वेश्चन बोला है कि ये PS एक डायमीटर समझो, RQ एक डायमीटर समझो, समझ के तुम 2 सेमी सर्कुलर पोर्शन, 2 semicircular portion are cut it off, so cut this semicircular portions, so only the remaining portion now left is this, and we have to find its area, okay। So first of all, what we need to do, we need to find the total area of the rectangle, okay, and second we need to find the cutted area, that are two semicircular area. So what, how to solve this? So the solution is area of remaining portion, area of remaining portion, area of remaining portion is equals to area of PQRS, ये PQRS इसका एरिया माइनस टू सेमीसर्कुलर पोर्शन, माइनस टू सेमीसर्कुलर कुलर पोर्शन. तो ये जो नाउ area of a rectangle is length into breadth, length into breadth, length is 10, breadth is 7, so 10 into 7. And the semicircle, this is semicircle, we know for a whole circle the area is pi r square, okay, but for a semicircle its area is half pi r square, half pi r square, so 2 of half pi r square. And the r, what is r? Now see, the total, where is my marker? The total diameter is 7, okay, so the radius will be only 7 by 2. Also mention it somewhere, diameter 7, so radius will be 7 by 2, so we will put that here, because both the diameter are equal, so both the radius will also be equal, okay, because it's a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So ये अगर 7 हुआ, if this is 7 and the half of the portion, that is radius is 7 by 2, this is also 7 by 2, so 10 into 7 70 minus 2 और half कट जाएगा, मत लिखो, and pi means 22 by 7, or r what is r? 7 by 2, so put 7 by 2 whole square, it will be 70 minus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, because there is a square, so we need to write 7 by 2 two times, eliminate 7, 2 22 11, that is 70 minus 77 by 2, and 70 minus 3 to the 6, 17, 8 to the 16.5, and subtract, you will get the answer. Next, the question is, now it's number 13. The sum of circumferences of four small circles of equal radius, ये लाइन आप उठा लो, ठीक है, ये लाइन आप उठा लो, क्या लाइन? फोर सेमी सर्कल्स ऑफ इक्वल रेडियस, तो फोर, अच्छा सेमी सर्कल नहीं, स्मॉल सर्कल, सॉरी, SMALL, फोर स्मॉल सर्कल्स, ओके, तो फोर स्मॉल सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लो, ठीक है. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ 1 2 3 4, दे हैव सेम रेडियस, फोर इक्वल रेडियस, तो लेट द रेडियस बी स्मॉलर, लेट द रेडियस बी small r, okay, and their circumference, the sum of the circumferences, okay, so their circumference is obviously 2 pi r, its circumference also 2 pi r, its circumference also 2 pi r, its circumference also 2 pi r, c equals to 2 pi r, ठीक है, c equals to, so what do you need to find, what do you need to find the ratio of the, also it is given is equal to the circumference of bigger circle. So there is also another bigger circle, it is given that if its radius is capital R and its circumference is 2 pi capital R, this circumference is equal to sum of circumferences of four circle, मतलब that means add this four circumference, you will get this bigger circumference, okay, add this four circumference, you will get this bigger circumference. It is given the sum of the circumferences of four small circle of equal radius is equal, then means add these four circumferences, it is equal to the circumference of a bigger circle, it is equal to circumference of a bigger circle, okay, that's all. So how can we solve it? Pen. Okay. So let radius of smaller radius of big circle capital R, according to the question, if we add all the four circumferences, that is 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r, it will be equal to 2 pi capital R, that is 2 2 2 2 is what? 8 pi r equals to 2 pi capital R. Pi by eliminate, 2 eliminate 4. So we get capital it equals to 4 small r. Now what do we need to find? Find the ratio. Ratio में ढूंढना है. Ratio मतलब ऐसे डॉट डॉट होता है. Ratio of the area of the bigger circle to the area of the smaller. मतलब area of big circle is to area of small circle. Ratio is easy. So ratio means pi r, area means pi r square is to pi small r square. Pi can be eliminated, but what is the value of capital R? Capital R is 4r. So put 4r square is to small r square, and 4 square is 16 r square. We know 4 square is 16 r square is to r square. So eliminate r square, it will be 16 is to 1. That's all. Next question, which is question number 14. Question number 14. It is given the area of a circle is equal to the area of a rectangle. Okay. So what is given? What is given? Given that area of a circle. So let's say there is a circle. Let's say there is a circle. Okay, this looks like this, and this is a rectangle. So rectangle. Okay, just remove this. So their areas are equal. If its radius is smaller, its area will be pi smaller square, and its length given sides 112 and 88, 112, 88. Then its area will be 112 into 88. According to our given question, these two areas are equal. Therefore, pi r square will be equals to 112 into 88. Okay, pi means what? 22 by 7. R square equal to 112 into 88. So r square will be equals to 112 into 88 by 22 into 7. Okay, so divide 22 with 40, you will remain with 4. Okay, so 112 into 4 into 7, you will remain 4 7 ja 28, 112 into 28, and it will be 56 28 28 86 3136 3136. So what is r? Or also you could have done that 112 into 4 into 7. R will be root over 112 into 4 into 7. So we have to find the square root of this number. How can we find? First find the square root. First factorize 112 to 56. Then again 2. 2, it will be 28, then again 2, it will be 14, then again 2, it will be 7. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2, and there is also another 7. So we know to find square root, a pair comes in single. So this pair will be 1 2, this pair will be 1 2, 7 7 ka pair, it will be 1 7, and here is another pair of 2, it will be 1 2. So it is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 7 ja 56. So r is 56. The radius of this circle is 56. Now we have to find the circumference of the circle. So therefore circumference, we know the formula is what? Formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 56. So 7 8 ja 56. Now find 8 into 2, 16 into 2, 32 will be 356 is the circumference. Now we will solve question number 5. The question is the diameter of two silver discs are in the ratio 2:3. What will be the ratio of their areas? So now see, if we will draw the figure, it is the diameter of two silver discs. Let's draw two silver discs. It is one silver disc, it is another silver disc. One is small, one is big. That is why they can maintain the ratio 2:3. Okay. So it is given that the diameter, diameter. What is the diameter? This is the diameter 1 and this is diameter 2. Okay. If their radius, if the radius is smaller, we can say the diameter is 2r and its diameter is 2r. sorry, let's say it is in capital, it is in capital R. Okay, so its diameter will be 2 capital R. Take everything it's in small and take everything for this circle, everything in capital. Its area is pi r square, but its area will be pi capital R square. Okay, it is given that what is given the diameter of two circle discs are in the ratio 2:3. That means diameter have the ratio 2:3. So D is to capital D is 2:3, it is given. So from here we'll get two smaller. The first one's diameter is 2 smaller, second one's diameter is 2 capital R. 2R into 2 capital R will be equals to 2:3. We know in ratio similar terms can be eliminated. Okay, so we got the capital R is to smaller equals to 2:3. That is the ratio of ratio of radii. In we don't the plural form of radius is radii. Okay, now what do we have to, what will be the ratio of their areas? What will be the ratio of their areas? That means we have to find small a is to capital A. I have already told, let take everything in small, but still I have forgot. So we have to find this. Okay, so what is small a? Pi smaller square, pi smaller square. And what is capital A? Pi capital R square. Eliminate pi, we will remain with smaller square is to capital R square. So we know R is to smaller is to capital is 2:3. Then smaller square is to capital R square will be 2 square is to 3 square. That is 4:9 our answer.